This 2021 Forest River Sandpiper SAF 379 FLOK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 42 feet 9 inches in length and features sleep 6, skylight, TV, external shower, slide-out, LP detector, oven, water heater, air conditioning, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Sandpiper SAF 379 FLOK is 13,433 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.